What if I told you that by the end of this video, you could automate your work, think faster, and maybe even outsmart your future self using AI? The world is changing fast. In 2025, it's not just about keeping up. It's about staying ahead. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, developer, or just someone trying to survive the digital age, the right AI tools can level you up. And today, I'm showing you 5 game-changing AI tools you should try this year. Not next year, not when you have time, now. Oh, and one of them is basically your new digital brain, but more on that at the end. Welcome to SilentTech. Let's get into it. You thought Notion was just a note-taking app? Think again. Notion AI 2.0 is like having an organized, caffeinated assistant who never sleeps. You can generate structured pages, summarize complex research, even create entire workflows from scratch. It's fast, it's smart, and it speaks your language, literally. Here's the scary part. If you're still typing notes manually in 2025, you're wasting time you'll never get back. Unless, of course, you're into typing out 10,000-word essays for fun. In that case, carry on, brave soul. But what if you want something more conversational? Something that listens and learns from you? Meet Rewind AI, the tool that remembers everything, so you don't have to. It records your meetings, transcribes your calls, and can search your life like a Google for your brain. Forgot what someone said in a meeting 3 weeks ago? Rewind's got you. Need to recall that brilliant idea you had at 2 a.m.? It's there. Rewind doesn't just store information. It helps you use it intelligently. Kinda makes your sticky notes and email drafts to self look like ancient tech, huh? Speaking of ancient tech, let's talk about your browser. Yeah, the one you're using right now. Arc isn't just a browser. It's a rethink of how the internet should work in 2025. With built-in AI that summarizes tabs, generates web pages, and customizes your workspace, Arc is like Chrome's cooler, faster, smarter cousin. The web is getting bloated. The tools we use to access it shouldn't be. Arc is already ahead. Don't wait till you're drowning in tabs and digital noise. Let's be honest, if your current browser were a roommate, you'd have kicked it out 2 years ago. Okay, so your notes are smart, your browser's smarter, but what about your content? What if you could produce videos, ads, and scripts automatically? Say hello to Pika Labs, an AI video tool that turns text prompts into short, cinematic videos. Want a product demo, a YouTube intro, or a motion graphic ad? Type it, get it. It's that simple. Creators, marketers, solopreneurs, this is your unfair advantage. No crew, no camera, just vision plus AI. It's like having a Hollywood studio without the coffee breaks and production delays. Now let's talk about the tool I promised earlier, the one that's almost like your second brain. Mem AI is the future of knowledge capture. It learns how you think, connects your ideas, and surfaces insights you forgot you even had. You can ask it questions about your past notes, your to-dos, your emails, and it'll answer like it knows you. In a world overloaded with content, Mem gives you something rare, clarity. But there's something even crazier on the horizon, and I break it all down in this next video on my channel. How AI will change human creativity forever. These tools aren't just cool, they're strategic. In 2025, the edge doesn't go to the busiest person, it goes to the smartest one. The one who uses tech fluently, the one who learns fast, the one who adapts. So don't stop here. If you want to dive deeper into how AI is shaping the next generation of creators and thinkers, tap on the video right here. Trust me, you won't look at creativity the same way again. This is SilentTech, no noise, just next-gen tools for the future you're building.